sikap masyarakat sekitar yang tidak bertanggungjawab membuang sampah ke dalam Sungai Kelang menjadikan sungai berkenaan bertukar lokasi lambakan sampah yang menjijikkan. Tinjauan Harian Metro di sekitar kawasan itu mendapati longgokan sampah termasuk plastik yang mencemarkan ekosistem air memenuhi sungai berkenaan dan dilonggok di tebing sungai. Perbuatan itu dibimbangi boleh membahayakan nyawa termasuk mengundang pelbagai penyakit.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is the Environmental Council. Okay, Miss, I would like to report about the river pollution at Sungai Kelang, Selangor.
Hi, Waalaikumsalam. I'm Erina from an Environmental Council. May I know who I speak with?
Okay, Miss, my name is Nurhazila binti Rosmawa. Represent the locals who want to report river pollution in the Kelang River.
Oh, can I know what can cause the river to be polluted?
Which is this because by garbage disposal and toxic waste disposal from industrial factories, Miss. Until today, we had to smell the bad smell from the river, and also the supply of water to our house that is dirty and rusty. I hope you can cooperate with us. Campaign has been made, but no action from the Environmental Council. So we hope the Environmental Council can be action to our report.
I wonder when this happened.
Pollution has been going on for the past 2 weeks. It's too long. So we guys hope you can do your action to help us.
We will be responsible for this problem and will make a detailed investigation. We will also take action against to those who involved. Thank you for reporting on this, and we apologize because no action has been taken before. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss. Thank you to answer my call. And Assalamualaikum.